Most people think they're getting the most out of ClickUp, but honestly, they're only using a fraction of what it can do and probably spending extra time on tasks that could be finished in minutes. Well, you don't need to learn dozens of new features. Just a few smart tricks can completely change how you manage projects, collaborate with your team, and even let AI handle the repetitive work for you. Now, if you want to work smarter without working longer, stick around, as today we're sharing 7 ClickUp tips and tricks that actually made our workflow faster, smoother, and a lot less stressful. So let's get started. This first tip is probably the one that impresses you the most. Usually, when starting a new project, we spend a lot of time creating lists and figuring out what should happen first. But with ClickUp Brain, you can skip most of that. Just click the ClickUp Brain icon, describe your project in a prompt, and explain what you're working on and what you want to achieve. Within seconds, it builds a complete project structure for you. The main tasks are already there, larger tasks are broken into smaller ones, and everything is organized in a way that's actually easy to follow. From there, you don't just accept everything as it is, you can go through the project, make a few edits, and add specifics to your workflow. Then you're ready to start working. Now, the next thing we tried was co-working with ClickUp Brain while the project was already in progress. Instead of jumping between different tasks to collect information, simply ask ClickUp Brain what's needed. You can ask for a quick update on the project's progress, find out which tasks were overdue, or check what still needed attention. Rather than digging through folders and lists ourselves, Brain pulled everything together in one response. What we also found useful was asking questions about specific documents or tasks. Since Brain understands what's already inside the workspace, it can point you to the right information without making you search for it manually. If something needs a summary, it gives you one. If you need more details, you can keep asking follow-up questions, almost like having a conversation. Well, now this trick becomes really useful when you're working with a team. Instead of having one person using AI while everyone else waits, multiple people can work with ClickUp Brain at the same time. So when you're planning a project together, one teammate is asking Brain to create tasks, another is generating a document, while someone else is refining a different part of the project. Everyone can keep working simultaneously without interrupting each other's flow, and that makes brainstorming much faster. As new tasks, docs, or updates are created, everyone can immediately build on them and keep moving forward. It feels much closer to a real co-working session than taking turns with an AI tool. So if your team usually collaborates in one workspace, this is definitely a feature worth using. Here's another small trick that can save more time than you'd expect. If you're chatting with a teammate and decide a meeting would be easier, you don't have to leave the conversation to schedule it. Just ask ClickUp Brain to find a suitable meeting time. It checks everyone's availability and suggests a time that works for the group. Once you confirm it, the meeting is created right from the chat, so there's no need to switch tabs or open a separate calendar first. So instead of stopping the conversation to organize a meeting somewhere else, you keep everything in the same place and get it scheduled within a few clicks. Simple, but surprisingly convenient when you're coordinating with a busy team. Now, if you ever spend hours putting together presentations, this tip is definitely worth trying. Instead of starting with a blank page, simply tell ClickUp Brain what your presentation is about. For example, you can describe your product, your audience, and the goal of the presentation. Brain then creates a complete outline with a logical flow, covering everything from the introduction to the final slides. If something doesn't look right, just ask it to rewrite a section, add more details, or adjust the tone before moving on. Once the content looks good, you can turn it into presentation slides without rewriting everything yourself. The whole process feels much more like editing than creating from scratch. Whether you're preparing a client pitch, an internal presentation, or a quick proposal, this shortcut can save a lot of time. For researching competitors, this next trick can make the whole process much easier. Instead of creating a comparison page from scratch, just tell the brain which companies you want to compare and what you're looking for, and within moments, it puts together a structured page with the information organized into clear sections. From there, you can review everything, make changes, and keep adding more details as your research grows. Since it's already formatted, you don't have to waste time deciding how to lay everything out. This works really well for comparing products, features, pricing, or even strengths and weaknesses before planning your next move. For the last tip, let's make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Instead of checking deadlines yourself every day, you can ask ClickUp Brain to create a deadline alert agent with a simple prompt. Once it's set up, the agent keeps an eye on your tasks and automatically notifies you whenever something is approaching its due date. You don't have to build any complicated automation or create multiple reminders manually. It's a simple setup, but one that can save you from missed deadlines, especially when you're managing several projects at the same time. Alright, that's it for today. Try them out and share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.